Hey guys, what's up? Oranges here. Here's Matt, Joel, and me. Anyways, we're at Pho again, and as you can see, it's crowded as hell because it's a minimum day and people just got off school. So today, Matt and Joel both got curry, and Joel has curry beef and curry chicken. And the menu says it's got Korean style curry, but yeah, go ahead. So Joel, why don't you try your beef first?
It's good.
Good, that's all you can say. What about your turn, Matt?
Tastes like chicken. Oh yeah, and Eric, if you're watching this, you better not laugh. Because I said chicken.
Oh yeah, and I just got a plain bowl of pho. So anyways guys, please subscribe to our channel and peace out.